Hi guys, my name is Sandeep Ahuja. I'm from Electronics and Communication branch, and I'm shooting this video for the next big step. I hope you find it very helpful. I got selected in Indus Valley Partners, which is basically a company which deals with the hedge funds in the US markets as well as in the UK markets. And basically, it is a software consultancy company in the financial domain. I am offered a package of 5.75 lakhs, and the place of posting is in Noida initially. Uh, the the rounds the company had a written round initially, or in the written round, the written round consisted basically of aptitude questions as well as pseudocode programming questions, where you had about 30 questions in aptitude and two questions in pseudocode, where you had to write a code for a given kind of conditions, like programming code basically. You had to write the algorithms for whatever the question was asked for. Now, after in the first round, there were about 130 students who applied for the company, and after the first round, about 37 got selected for the further rounds, which consisted of basically interview rounds. Basically, there was no GD in this company. The interview round started with two technical rounds, and you had to clear each and every round was an elimination round. Initially, the first technical round, it basically consisted of questions in programming. As this is a programming company, you should be very much aware of the programming concepts in C, C++, and data structure. And since I'm an electronics student, so I was the questions were mostly concentrated in these areas. And for the computers and IT, there were some broad sections also, like in data structure, and as along with C, C++, they were asked about database management and everything. So basically, you need to be prepared with your C, C++, and data structures. And there were a lot of puzzles. They also needed to check their aptitude skills, and even in between the in technical questions, they were also trying to concentrate and in checking your personality, like how are your communication skills and everything. So for the first two rounds, there were different sets of questions in the technical region. So I needed to clear these two rounds in order to proceed to the HR round. And finally, from out of 37 students, 7 students were selected. So these 7 students were not the final students to get the offers. Now for the day in the campus, there were three. Basically, there were one round of written and three rounds, having two round technical and one round HR. And so after this round, there was another set of two rounds, which I had to go to Nehru Place, their office in Nehru Place, and we had to give the further two rounds at Nehru Place. So at Nehru Place, they were round taken by the directors of different departments in the company, so it was like quite tough to get through each of these rounds. So the first round basically was all technical based, where each and every concept of your programming skills, that you should be having a good programming skills. You cannot be like, I am good at programming aptitude, but you had to be having a good programming concepts, like every detailed knowledge. And basically, mostly they concentrated in pointers, data structures. Questions were asked from trees, like linked list, sorting techniques, and various algorithms used in different techniques, linked list, circular linked list, trees. These are the basically they were mostly the questions were basically in these regions. For me, for basically, they consider electronic students who are basically interested in programming, they want to do programming as in their profession. So uh, after two rounds of technical, after first round at that day, out of seven, two were eliminated at that day itself, and five were selected for the second round. And after the second round, only three got the placement offers. So basically, this is how You have to prepare yourself. You should be good in your personality skill. Your personality should be very good. You have to get yourself prepared in every concepts in C++ data structures for the electronic students, and for the computer students you even need to get prepare yourself in database concepts. I think this will be you will be able to be through. You will be able to through with all these concepts, and you will be succeeding. You will be able to succeed in this company. Get through. Thank you.